Choosing natural diamonds over lab-grown diamonds is a wise investment decision. As natural diamonds are formed deep within the earth over millions of years, they are finite and rare. This rarity makes them more valuable as time goes by. Additionally, natural diamonds hold a significant emotional value, unlike lab-grown diamonds. They are often passed down through generations, cherished as heirlooms that hold great sentimental worth. When you choose natural diamonds, you invest in something that will hold its value for years to come, not just monetarily, but emotionally as well. As people become more mindful of their environmental impact, the demand for sustainable and environmentally friendly products has also increased. The diamond industry has not been immune to this trend, and the rise of lab-grown diamonds has caught the attention of consumers in recent years. However, it's important to note that natural diamonds still hold a unique value that cannot be replicated in a lab. The geological processes that form natural diamonds take millions of years, and each one is a unique product of nature. Furthermore, natural diamonds are often sourced through responsible mining practices, which prioritize environmental stewardship and benefit local communities. As consumers, it's important to do your research and choose diamonds that align with your values. Diamonds, whether natural or lab-grown, have a significant impact on the environment. While lab-grown diamonds may seem like a sustainable alternative, the process of creating them requires a significant amount of energy, which often comes from non-renewable sources. Additionally, the manufacturing process of lab-grown diamonds involves the use of chemicals and produces a considerable amount of waste. On the other hand, responsible mining practices for natural diamonds ensure that the environmental impact is minimized. Sustainable mining practices such as reforestation, ensuring water quality, and habitat restoration are often implemented. Furthermore, the diamond industry has made efforts to reduce its carbon footprint by using renewable energy sources and utilizing technologies that reduce emissions. While natural diamonds are not without their environmental impact, they can be mined in a way that is sustainable and benefits local communities. Natural diamonds never go out of style. They are an heirloom investment that lasts a lifetime and beyond. Unlike lab-grown diamonds, natural diamonds come with a unique story behind them, which can add to their value. These diamonds have been formed deep within the earth over millions of years under immense pressure and heat, making them rare and precious. Additionally, the diamond mining industry has come a long way in recent years in terms of sustainability and eco-friendliness, ensuring that ethical practices are followed. In contrast, lab-grown diamonds are mass-produced in a laboratory, which does not have the same history or significance as natural diamonds. Therefore, when investing in diamond jewelry, choose a natural diamond for its rarity, value, and eco-friendliness.